What's up, guys? Something weird happened last night. So as you know, I installed my new three-phase unit with my do-it-yourself, VFD powered setup, where I hacked it into a brand new Linux condenser unit, and it's just downstairs on the ground outside this wall where we sleep. 10:30, 10:40, something like that at night. I am dead asleep. I was so tired. The wife's like nudging me, going, "You hear that? Some banging going on outside, some explosions." I'm like, "What?" Then I didn't hear nothing. And then like a minute, two later, all of a sudden, boom, boom. Dude, it was lighting up the outside, and it's pitch black, and it's just lighting up through our windows. It looked like it was coming from right downstairs from, where we're laying in our bed. I'm like, dude, something's going on with our new unit. I'm thinking, oh man, the VFD must be like exploding or something. So, yeah, we'll go look at the security camera and show you what really happened. Got the volume turned up. There's a little hum coming from my microphone. I don't know when that started, but I think you can still hear something. Looks like the neighbors are up outside. But here's looking northwest. This is where you're going to see what there it goes. Freaking fireworks. And the sound, you're hearing that from in our house, from the microphone in the camera. That's how loud it was. And that's like a quarter mile up the street. And we're like, what the hell? And the flash you could see in the front camera, just lighting up everything. That sound and that noise was reflecting through our window here. I thought it was coming from downstairs on my new unit. And again, I got woke up from deep sleep. So, I didn't know what the hell was going on. Just totally crazy. But, yeah, I run downstairs to check it out. I'm like, what the hell? Freaking fireworks. Just boom, boom. Look at all the light around the area. Freaked me out. So anyway, those bastards. Oh man, I was just glad that nothing was wrong with the unit. But what a way to be woke up after a hard, long day, just being beat. Just ridiculous. Anyway, keep watching. Hope to get the solar panel hooked up to it soon. So be sure to like and subscribe and all that stuff. Stay tuned.